The dash wheel Martin strung to the luggage van. Guess what will be the answer? Potter. Who is Potter? Dear students, potter is a person who makes pots of balls, plates out of clay. So answer will be potter. Now number 5 is Jane has gone to the dash to have hair cut. To whom we go for hair cutting? Yes, we go to hairdresser for cutting. So answer will be hairdresser. Now next is the dash blew the whistle and train moved off. The answer will be the guard below the whistle and the train moved off. So answer will be guard. Now number 7 is the dash went aboard the battleship. Who goes the battleship? Yes, a soldier goes the battleship. So answer will be soldier. Now number 8 is we watch the dash cutting the hay. Dear students, hay means grass. And who cuts the grass? Who works in the fields and cut the grass? Yes, farmer. So answer will be we watch the farmer cutting the hay. Now number 9 is the dash on the sentry duty carried a rifle. Carried a rifle. Who carries a rifle on duty? Sentry duty? Yes. A police officer. So answer will be the police officer on sentry duty carried a rifle. Now number 10 is a big crowd saw the dash rescue the boy from the burning house. Dear students, who comes to rescue from fire? Yes, firefighter. So answer will be firefighter. A big crowd saw the firefighter rescue the boy from the burning house.